In this video, I will show you how to disable SafeSearch on Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, SafeSearch is designed to basically enhance your browsing experience and just make it safer by filtering explicit results. To disable or turn off SafeSearch, what you want to do is open up google.com, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon up here, so your actual Google account, this one here, and what it's going to do is open up a window like this. Now from here you want to come down to the section which says more from Google search, and if you scroll down a bit you're going to see an option for SafeSearch, so give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. And on here, you can see we've got three different options. So you've got the option to filter, which helps filter out explicit images, text, and links. Blur, which helps blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may still show. Or you have got the option to completely disable or turn off SafeSearch by selecting the option here. As you can see, by selecting the different options, we're going to get a pop-up confirmation. And when we select off, you can see it says SafeSearch is now off. So that is how to disable SafeSearch on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.